Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices held steady to end last week after falling over 1% earlier in the session as traders boosted bets on a December US interest rate cut following dovish US Federal Reserve comments. Bullion notched a weekly gain of 0.1%. The dollar weakened against the yen to end last week after Japanese officials stepped up verbal intervention to stem the currency's decline, even as the greenback broadly was headed for its biggest weekly rise in 6 weeks. Oil prices eased about 1% to end last week, to settle at one-month lows as the US pushed for a Russia-Ukraine peace deal that could boost global oil supplies, while uncertainty over US interest rates curbed investors' risk appetite.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.